back to my channel, and today I am doing the very basics of friendship bracelets because I got a lot of questions on my last video, and so I wanted to make this video just to help a lot of you beginners out and show you the basics of friendship bracelets. So I really hope this video helps, and yeah, let's just get started with the video. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is choose a few colors. I just chose some orange colors, and I'm kind of pulling apart the thread just to make it easier to measure. I'm just measuring the string now, and I like to go around 150 to 160 centimeters. I like to go a little bit bigger too, just to be safe, and I recommend that for your wrist too, because I think it's a pretty average size. Now I'm just making all the string the same as the first, so it's the same size. Once you're done cutting all the string, you're going to want to find the tails and fold it in half and find the middle point. I'm not 100% sure what this is called. I'm pretty sure it's a slip knot, but you're going to want to tuck the string under that other loop that you just made, and then you're going to want to pull it tighter, so you should get this cool little loop. This first knot is called the 4 knot, and basically make a 4, and then you're going to want to put your finger through the middle of the loop, and then you're going to grab it, and then make sure you pull it really tight, and make sure it goes all the way to the top, and then you're going to do that twice to complete the knot. The second knot is called a backwards knot, and basically make a backwards 4, and then you do the same thing where you put your finger through the middle of the loop, and then you pull it up as tight as you can, and you repeat that twice. As you can see at the demonstration by this chevron bracelet, the 4 knots will always go to the right, and the backwards will go to the left. This third knot is called the forward backwards knot. You're going to want to make a 4 and then do a forward knot, and then you're going to take the same string and then you're going to make a backwards knot and make a backwards 4. This last knot is called the backwards forward knot, and basically you make a backwards 4, and then you're going to use the same string and then make a forward knot or a 4. Once you have finished the bracelet, you're going to want to separate the strings into 2 parts. Take your finger and wrap it around the string, make this loop. And then you're going to take the string and pull it through the loop that you just made, and you're going to want to pull it tightly against the bracelet, and you're going to want to do that to the other side of the string as well. We're then going to want to take half the string and put it through the loop that we made at the beginning of the bracelet. You are then going to want to slide the bracelet onto your wrist, and then you're going to want to tie 2 knots just to finish it off. Then you're going to want to cut the extra string off, and there you go. For larger bracelets, I just like to braid the ends just to make it easier without all the strings, and then you do the same thing, just wrap it around your wrist and then tie it twice. There's many different ways that you can tie the bracelet. I just found this one the simplest and the easiest to do. That's all I have for you in this video. If you have any more questions, hit me a comment below and I'll try my best to respond to them. And if you have any more bracelet video ideas that you want me to do, I would love to do them because I love filming these kind of videos. And yeah, peace.